आज basically labor department, labor and employment, certain initiatives we thought we would share with you. As labor and employment department, first challenge what we have is how to create a data of the people who are unemployed. Unemploymentची जेन्ना issues सगळे कडेन उलोवप जाता तेन्ना खरो data unemploymentचो तयार करपाक we are still finding was when I took over this department, we realized that the data which is there with the employment exchange is different from that data which is there in the labor department. Labor also separate, employment also separate. Employment exchange and ज्या लोकांची नावां आसा, there were duplicacy of names because they have at graduated level, they have continuously upgraded themselves and maybe one or two duplication of names जाल्ली आसा. दुसरें म्हणल्यार that particular person is working somewhere but looking for a government job म्हणून ताणें employment exchange केला and he is showing himself over there. And third is the unemployed youth who is actually looking for unemployment. खंयचोय private sector job जेन्ना advertise करता, he is supposed to actually take sponsors of candidates from employment exchange also, which was not happening. So we have IT enabled systems given. With GEL, we are creating these particular systems where labor and employment दोन्ही कडले data gathering from Goa Chamber, CII, तुझो GSI, IDC हे सगळे इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट्सांतल्यान डेटा तयार करपाची प्रक्रिया ऑलरेडी सुरू केल्ली आसा. हो डेटा गॅदर करता आसतना दिस विल बी ऑल आधार लिंक्ड which will give us actual factual position of the employment scenario of the state. As we are looking forward in this coming year to create a scheme for the unemployed youth. He sadhya is in discussion stage with Honorable CM, but we are looking at giving a scheme for the unemployed youth. What data jenna आमी एक कडेन तयार करता, we are also looking at ease of doing business through IT enabled platforms. Shops and establishments, तांचे registrations, तांचे renewals, and various other things which are required on the IT platform which we are getting now. Some of the services have already started. So सगळ्यो गजाल्यो लोकांक ऑफिसान येवपाची गरज नासतली. ती through IT enabled system from the respective office he can get himself registered under shops and establishments. Industrial data, industries data, employees data and employers data. We have taken this month as a deadline for us to complete all these things as far as labor and employment is concerned. आता labor and employment under 3 board येतात. Goa Welfare Board, POCW Construction Workers Board, आणि तिसरो Board for Unorganized Workers. Unorganized workers comes under the Central Statute. BOCW also comes under the Central Statute. And a lot of schemes have been generated under Goa Welfare Board, BOCW, which covers construction workers and other particular workers which are under various verticals. And third line is your unorganized sector, which can include anything and everything, include self-employed people who are there, who can claim schemes. आज तिन्ही बोर्डांच्यो मिटिंग्यो बॅक टू बॅक आज घेवप जाल्यो. Lot of issues were deliberated, lot of schemes were discussed, and BOCW circle where there is quite a sizable amount parked. How we could actually use it in the interest of the common worker was discussed.